Hello everyone, this is Sean with Peep Tactical, and today we'll be conducting a field strip and reassembly of the Staccato CS. The first thing we're going to do is push the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, we'll drop the safety, pull back on the slide, and make sure that the weapon is empty. Now that that's accomplished, we need to remove the slide stop. In order to accomplish this, we need to do a few things at the same time. First, we have to pull the slide back until the notch lines up with the slide stop. Now that's best accomplished by pulling back on the slide while simultaneously pushing down on this backside of the slide stop. You don't have to know exactly where it lines up. If you're already applying pressure, it'll come through. Now, I'm going to pull it all the way out and set it to the side. Here, I can release the slide, pull it all the way off the frame, and set the frame down. Finally, we have the slide, and we're going to remove the recoil spring. By compressing the recoil spring, you can then pull it down and ease it back until it comes free of the slide. Finally, I'm going to rotate the barrel link forward and wiggle the barrel until it comes out through the front of the slide. This completes disassembly. Now let's put it back together. For reassembly, first start by reinserting the barrel back through the front of the slide. Pull your barrel link down. Next, reinsert the recoil spring underneath the front. Make sure that you line up the U portion of the recoil spring with the bottom of the barrel. Compress this to get it into fit. Once you've reached this stage, you're going to line up the rails on the slide with the rails on the frame. Now we need to reinsert the slide stop. In order to do so, you want to make sure that the hole where the slide stop goes back in is lined up with the barrel link, so you can see all the way through. If need be, you can use a tool to make sure that it's all the way through. Once the slide is on, we need to line up the hole to reinsert the slide stop. We're going to pull the slide back till the notch is lined up with this hole. You're going to take the slide stop, insert it in the hole. Make sure not to scratch your slide when you're doing this. Push it forward and up and then down through the frame until you hear it snap into place. Now, you can release the slide and reassembly is complete. So let's do a function test. Pointing in a safe direction, you're going to press the trigger and hold it down. Now rack the slide. Release the trigger until you hear trigger reset, and then press the trigger again. Final test. I'm going to reinsert a magazine, pull the slide to the rear, and check for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been the Staccato CS field strip and reassembly. Be sure to head over to pewpewtactical.com to check out all of our guides, particularly on a gun like this for concealed carry. For more information, head over to pewpewtactical.com. We're your definitive source for gear, guides, and gun reviews, and all things that go bang.